In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product bundle in Wix. This guide is perfect whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your online store with attractive product bundles that could entice your customers. First, we begin at the Wix dashboard, your central hub for all things related to your website. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate over to the Products section. This is where all your existing products are listed and where you can manage everything related to your store inventory. What we want to do next is focus on creating a new product. So, look for the New Product button and click on it. This is going to be our starting point for setting up your bundle. Now, here's a tip to make your bundle visually appealing right from the get-go. You'll need a single image that beautifully represents your bundle. This is where you can get a little creative. Use an external tool like Canva, which is user-friendly and offers a plethora of design options. Or you can craft your design within the Wix editor itself, whichever you're more comfortable with. Once you have your image ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, you can upload it to your new product. Next, let's move on to adding essential details that your customers will see. Begin by giving your bundle a catchy name. It should be descriptive enough to convey what's inside, but also enticing to spur interest. Alongside this, craft a detailed description that clearly communicates what the bundle includes and any benefits your customers would gain by purchasing it. Then, you'll need to set a single price for the entire bundle, keeping in mind your costs and desired profit margin. Sometimes, bundles may come with variations, like size, color, or maybe even material. For such cases, Wix allows you to create options for your bundle product. This is especially helpful in maintaining clarity and offering choices to your customers, which enhances their shopping experience. Finally, it's vital to manage your inventory levels correctly. For the bundle, manually set the inventory. This can be done by individually adjusting each item included in it. If you're looking for a more automated solution, consider using an app like the Bundle app that syncs inventory levels automatically. This can save you time and ensure accuracy, especially if you're dealing with popular products that sell quickly. By following these steps, you'll have a beautifully displayed product bundle in your Wix store, ready to attract customers and generate sales. It's all about presentation, clarity, and management to provide a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for watching and happy selling.